Stop. Before your next international flight, watch this video. Picture this. You're at airport immigration. The officer asks you a simple question in English, and your mind goes blank. You start sweating. There's a long line waiting behind you. This happens to thousands of English learners every single day. Why? Because airport staff use specific phrases you've never seen in textbooks. The truth is, there are only 35 phrases you need to master. That's it. From check-in to your seat, you can travel with zero stress. This is episode 38 of our challenge to speak English fluently. Speaking at the airport in 10 minutes. In just 10 minutes, you'll learn every phrase real travelers use. Ready? Let's start shadowing now. Check-in phrases 1 through 10. I'd like to check in for my flight. 2. Here's my passport and boarding pass. 3. I have one bag to check. 4. Can I get a window seat? 5. Is my flight on time? 6. Where do I drop off my luggage? 7. How much does my bag weigh? 8. Can I carry this on board? 9. Which gate is my flight? 10. What time does boarding start? Excellent. You've just mastered check-in conversations. Feel that confidence building? These phrases work at any airport in the world. Security and immigration phrases, 11 to 25. Now let's tackle security and immigration, the part that makes most travelers nervous. 11. I need to go through security. 12. Can I keep my shoes on? 13. Where do I put my laptop? 14. Is this line for international flights? 15. Here's my passport, please. 16. I'm here for tourism. 17. I'm here for business. 18. I'm staying for 2 weeks. 19. I'm staying for 1 week. 20. Yes, I'm traveling alone. 21. No, I'm traveling with my family. 22. Here's my return ticket. 23. Yes, I have my hotel reservation. 24. I have nothing to declare. 25. These are personal items only. Perfect. You've got security and immigration conversations locked in your muscle memory. You're speaking like a seasoned traveler. Boarding and in-flight phrases, 26 to 35. Final 10 phrases. Let's master boarding and in-flight conversations. 26. Is this gate B12? 27. When do we start boarding? 28. Can I see your boarding pass? 29. This is my seat, 14A. 30. Can you help me with my bag? 31. Could I have some water? Please. 32. What time do we land? 33. Can I get a blanket? 34. Excuse me, where's the bathroom? 35. Thank you for your help. Outstanding. You've just mastered 35 essential airport phrases. From check-in to landing, you're now equipped for confident travel. Practice with real dialogues. Dialogue 1. Check-in counter. Passenger. I'd like to check in for my flight. Staff. Can I see your passport and boarding pass? Passenger. Here's my passport and boarding pass. Staff. Any bags to check today? Passenger. I have one bag to check. Staff. Would you prefer window or aisle? Passenger. Can I get a window seat? Staff. Perfect. Your flight is on time. Gate B12. Passenger. What time does boarding start? Staff. Boarding begins at 2:30 p.m. Dialogue 2. Immigration and Security Officer. What's the purpose of your visit? Passenger. I'm here for tourism. Officer. How long are you staying? Passenger. I'm staying for 2 weeks. Officer. Are you traveling alone? Passenger. Yes, I'm traveling alone. Officer. Do you have a return ticket? Passenger. Here's my return ticket. Passenger. Excuse me, where do I put my laptop? Officer. In a separate bin, please. Passenger. Can I keep my shoes on? Officer. Yes, you can keep them on. Amazing. Did you notice how naturally each phrase fit into the conversation? You are shadowing with me the whole way, just like a real traveler. Closing call to action. Let's run through that journey one more time at natural speed. Tomorrow is episode 39, another essential life skill to boost your confidence. Don't break the chain. Like this video if you feel more confident. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's lesson. Comment with one phrase you'll use on your next trip. See you tomorrow and keep shadowing.